Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Let's Taste Homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, that was loud. But today I'm so excited because we are going to be making vegetable fritters. If you remember, I made these cabbage tuna rolls. I love that. You can click it up here. I'm pretty sure. Something kind of similar to that, I would say. It contains the three same vegetables that we used in that video, which is squash, potatoes, and carrots. Okay, I'm so excited to make this, so without further ado, let's get on with this video. The ingredients we will need are 3 cups of squash, pre-cut and pre-steamed, 2 small potatoes, pre-cut and also pre-steamed, carrots, pre-steamed and pre-diced, 1 cup of cream, canned meatloaf diced, pre-diced onions, cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. The first step is to mix together our potatoes and squash and mash them together. By the way, I'm using a fork to mash this up, but you can of course use a potato masher if you would like. Okay, we are almost done. Actually, we are done. Now we are going to add in the other ingredients. First, the carrots. Now we are going to add in the meatloaf. Now the onions. And now I'm gonna mix that all together before you add in the final ingredients. I underestimated the size of my bowl, so now I have to change it because it's starting to overflow. Okay, now let's add our final ingredients. And then the cornstarch and mix it all together. Now we are going to season. Maybe that much is okay. And then pepper. And mix. I am now going to fill up a piping bag for our frying. Okay, here I have a piping bag. I am kind of folding the top of it so that it's easier to put in. I'm going to stuff it. Now I'm going to press the top and voila! Now I'm going to cut off the tip. I'm gonna make a decent sized hole there. We are done mixing our batter. We are going to start frying it. Now our oil will start heating up. I think our oil is ready and hot. We are going to start frying. The oil is very hot. I'm going to lower the temperature. I'm going to take my piping bag and a fork and place a nice big line right there. Then, ow, I burned myself. And I'm going to repeat the process until I finish all of my batter. The oil needs to be hot or else once we start frying our fritters, it will stick to the bottom and like break apart. Cook until it is golden brown on the outside and make sure not to burn it. So that is why it's on a low heat, but still the oil is hot. We are done frying our fritters. I'm so excited to try them, but can't you believe that a simple squash and random vegetables and meat can be turned into this delicious dish? Okay, look at this. This looks so good, but it tastes even better. I'm so excited to try it out. Okay, I'm going to take one. I'm gonna dip it in the mayo and ketchup and try it. It's so good. The vegetables, you don't really think that it is vegetables because it tastes like something you would buy like frozen in a package or something like that, and it's so good. It's so flavorful. The meatloaf gives like a nice meaty flavor, of course, which makes it a bit more heartier and heavier than the vegetables like the potato and the squash and the carrots, and then adding in that onion, it gives so much more flavor. It's amazing, and the cream also helps like make it creamy. You can eat this as a snack or as like a side dish while eating rice. It's so good. One more. The texture is amazing. The outside is crunchy while the inside is very nice and creamy, and it's so delightful. once you pick up one, you keep on picking up more. Once you start eating it, like, you can't stop. Like, I'm telling you. We're ready to watch a movie. Oh, you can also like have this for like at a movie night. Like, this is so perfect for that. Oh my god. You guys should try it out, and if you try it, tag me on social media at homemadebyfranz and Facebook at homemadebyfranz. You can try it like my cabbage rolls, and you can click somewhere up here. Yeah, somewhere here. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to see notifications of any new videos that I post. Hit that thumbs up button and comment down below any suggestions you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also follow me on my social medias at homemadebyfranz on Instagram and Facebook. Happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste Homemade by Franz. Bye everyone!